If you plan to visit China for tourism or for business, this video is for you because I am tired of getting questions regarding Chinese visa. Tell you guys, you don't even help me. The way I help you, you don't even help me to share my videos. Oh, no problem. Let's take it like that. At the end of the video, you will know how much Chinese visa costs, how can you get invitation for Chinese visa, and what are the basic documents you need for Chinese visa. All right, so this is our Chinese visa portal, or this is our Chinese visa website. If you are wondering how you can get this website, look at the address of the website, just www.visa China or Chinese visa. Then if you get this website, then definitely you are at the right side. Then you continue doing your Chinese visa. So I'm coming here to choose the purpose of visit. So it means tourism is L visa, and M is commercial trade, like a business visa that I heard a lot of people are talking about. So now we are taking the tourism. Okay, we are only going to look for the basic document for now, but we are not going to apply. Okay, so these are the basic documents that we need for Chinese visa, so let's do it together. Okay, first document, we need a passport. You need your passport. Second, visa application form and photo. Yes, so you need to fill the visa application form online. And then number 3, proof of legal entry or residency status. This one, it doesn't apply to many of you. This means somebody who is not a Ghanaian and the person is in Ghana and want to apply for Chinese visa, then that person needs to show that he is having a legal status in Ghana. It means he's supposed to have a residency permit, Ghana residency permit. Number 4, a photocopy of previous Chinese passport or previous Chinese visas. This one too, if maybe you are Chinese citizen and you are also a Ghanaian citizen, then provide your Chinese passport. Or you visited China before, you have a Chinese visas, then print that one, photocopy that page of your passport, then you bring it alongside the application. 5th, for citizens of the other country, the following supplementary documents are required. Okay, other citizens that are not Ghanaian but they are in Ghana, so number 5 doesn't concern many of you. And number 2, supporting document. Which document that you use to support your visa application? They say number 1, this is the critical part. You need an invitation letter for tourists issued by an authorized tourism unit or individual in China. It means you need somebody in China or somebody who is in the tourism industry in China to issue a Chinese invitation for you so that you can add it to your visa application to get your Chinese visa. So you need invitation, and the person can write it or person can use the system too. Number 2, document showing the itinerary including air ticket booking record. You need itinerary. It means you need to design your trip. What are you going to do in China? Your activities in China. Maybe day 1 you are going to this factory. Day 2 you are going to this factory. So your itinerary, you have to design itinerary. That one you can write it by yourself where you are going, but it should be systematic. Number 3, as a supporting document, you need applicants should present original bank statement, your original bank statement. And the interesting part is stamped by the bank. Bank should stamp on it. And then note, less than 60,000 Ghana cedi. You must have more than 60,000 Ghana cedi in your bank account, not less than 60,000 Ghana cedi per person in your bank account. It means you must have 60,000 going in your bank account, like 600 million old currency in your bank account. Number 4 doesn't concern you. 18 years old, you need to provide parent consent. Photocopy. Okay, number 4, A, B, C doesn't concern you. Okay, and they even have a special reminder about the invitation. Invitation letter may be in the form of fax or photocopy or computer printout. Remember, the person who is giving you the invitation. Yes, so these are the basic document you need for Chinese visa. Now we are checking the Chinese business visa, which is M visa. Commercial trade visa is the same as business visa. So commercial visa, right? Start your application. Checking the documents you need for this one. Okay, this one, so you need your passport, visa application form, proof of legal entry. I already explained this. Photocopy, supporting document. You need certificate of employment. Yes, if you are applying for this M visa, you need certificate of employment stating the applicant name. Or maybe you are having your own business, so you have to provide your business certificate. Or if you are working under somebody, that person should provide you a letter stating that you are working under him. 2, you need letter of invitation issued by a trade partner in China. Yes, you need invitation letter from China. Number 3, company certificate and the tax clearance form. If you happen to be a self-employed, you have your own company, you work for yourself, then you need a business certificate. Business certificate, you can get it from Register General. If you don't have it, go and do it. And the tax clearance one, you can get it from the GRA, so you can go for that one too. And the original bank statement and the money inside your bank account should not be less than 60,000 Ghana cedis. Yes. So this is the Chinese Chinese M visa, which is the commercial trade or business visa requirement. So now we are okay with the L visa. We know the basic document for the L visa, and we also know the basic document for the M visa, which is the business. So now let's proceed and see the application, even though we are not going to do the application, but let's check. Start application. Confirm. It's loading. Confirm. Visa center you will submit to is Accra. Yes, so it's loading. Yes, I already have application in the system, so let's just check that one. Continue. Okay, so this is okay, so this is the Chinese visa application process, or this is the portal when you are having your invitation and your other document too are ready. So this is the portal and this is the process. You first have to fill your personal details, visa type, information or previous visas, other information. Yes, and then you upload the materials, which are your invitation letter and your passport and your passport picture, and then here then you confirm, and then here then you submit. That is it. Then you take your application to the visa application center in Accra. But the question I always get, and I don't even have the answer for you that time, now I have the answer for you, is how can I get the invitation? So now I have the answer for you. How you can get the invitation is 2 ways. 1, individual in China to issue an invitation for you. Somebody in China can send you invitation, but that person has to include his Chinese ID and a lot of stuff, a lot of information about you and why you are coming. That person has to send it to you. Second way is a company or a factory that you want to go and visit and buy their things or their products. You can contact them and request invitation letter. They know about it, they can give that one to you. But the only invitation company I know that I can show you today is a Canton Fair. I don't know whether it's a program or it's a factory. That Canton Fair, you can literally go to their website and create account there, then you request invitation from them. Now let's check the Canton Fair website, how you can request invitation from there. Yes, so this is their website. Actually, I already have account here, so I can request invitation from them. But invitation, they give invitation 2 times in every year, April and September. So now if you are ready, you can request invitation for September, because they have some exhibition in September, so they can give you invitation to come to their exhibition in September. So this is how you can request invitation from this company. I already have my account here. So I don't know how I can show this thing for you. But see, you just have to search Canton Fair, Chinese company. So you will get this portal. Scroll down to here, you will see my invitation letters. Okay, let me click on it. My invitation letters. Yes, it's loading. Okay. Yes, it's still okay. So apply for invitation. Let me apply for invitation and see. It's loading. You see there's a application for a Canton Fair invitation letter is not open yet. Please be patient. So it means their invitation is not open yet, but very soon they will open the invitation. Then you can request invitation from this. Okay. Alright guys, we are done with everything regarding Chinese visa. If you don't know the price of the Chinese visa, I refer you to my previous video I did about Chinese visa price. To make it short, again, you need invitation to visit China for tourism or for business. How to get the invitation? Either you get it from individual or you go to this website or other company's website, then you request invitation letter from them. Probably they are going to give you because they need you to come and buy their products. Thank you and see you in the next video.
Hi, are you aware that US visitor visa costs less than 3,000 cedis? Japan visitor visa costs less than 300 cedis. And our application fee for every visa costs less than 1,500 cedis. But only when you are having your document ready, such as your bank statement, your passport, and the rest, because we don't provide any illegal document to aid your visa application. We work with only what you have plus our experience and knowledge. That is not all. We also teach how to become an agent within 1 month. At the end of the training, you will know how to apply for visas, hotel reservation, flight booking, and more. Again, if you want to consult us, you can book appointment with us on our website Ibrahim AA Translink or on our official handles like TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram.
The only way to get in touch with us, simple and fast, is by appointment only, because we don't share phone numbers. The link to book appointment is always in the bio.
If
Check
you
it
happen to book and we didn't attend to you, please continue giving us message on TikTok. We are always active and will reply you as soon as possible. If you want to learn more about us, visit our official website or just Google Ibrahim AA Translink and learn more about us. Remember, we came to help, not to trick you. Thank you and continue your booking with us until we meet.